Alright, let's check it out.
Okay.
Huh? Look up and then enter the answer from Appendix A of the User's Guide.
What? User's
1967 unemployment.
Guide? Huh?
It's a trivia thing, I think.
Weird.
Huh. Okay. Is that... How do you go back in this goddamn thing? Oh, that's it. I gotta see Wayne Gretzky hockey. I just need to see this.
There we go. Oh my god. Try going from your nice, wonderful, beautiful
iPhone.
high-tech phone or computer with its nice mouse and keyboard, and then go to this. My uncle is into hockey. What?
Okay.
Just, I'm picking randomly.
I know. Yeah, these were games that required books to go with them.
Oh, yeah. Big, big brainy geeks. Spectre's good, though.
Let's run that one again.
It's taking a long time.
So I think your average cell phone is probably 10 times more powerful than this.
Yeah. If I wasn't afraid it would hurt the Mac, I'd actually open it up, look inside.
Yeah.
You want to play, Cameron?
Sure, I guess.
Go.
You want to take the phone?
Sure, I'll take the phone.
Alright, scoot.
This moves you.
I know.
Okay,
I can figure it out.
Actually, it's pretty simple.
Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna go speedy. Oh crap!
Getting shot at.
No, I got him.
Yeah, you got him. You missed a healing pad.
Turn faster.
That's what I don't like. You can't turn fast.
Oh no! Oh no! Haha, I got you.
Looks like the damage bar, once it fills up, that's it.
Yeah. And I'm in a weaker tank than you are, so I need to be more careful.
I was in a balanced tank, which I like.
Oh, spoot. Haha.
Oh, really? How come you get more than me, asshole?
Because I was faster. And I was paying attention, I was figuring out how you play this. Oh, spoot, spoot, spoot! Die! Haha.
How long do you want to record on this?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Wrong button, and I'm running out of ammo! Where's one of these healing packs? Ooh, I got them all.
I'm gonna turn it off,
Alright, alright.
How do you turn it off?
Press the magical record button.